In today's video we show you how you can set your own picture as a digitizer on the Huawei GT6 and GT6 Pro. So let's go. Open the Huawei Health App on your smartphone. And when you have opened it, you have the item devices down here. Here you have to click on it. And when you have clicked on devices, you will see your watch faces. Here next you tap on your watch that is connected. Here you see that it is connected. And then down to my watch faces. Here we go next, so click on my watch faces. And then manage to local watch faces. We have to go in there. Then we see all watch faces. Here you can see, for example, which ones there are. But we want to manage our own picture on local watch faces. Here we have to go in, so tap on it. And when you have done that, you need this folder, and this one is called Gallery. Here you have to go in next, otherwise you cannot add it. So tap on Gallery. And now you see the pictures you have already added. For this you only have to click on the plus symbol, if you want to have another one. For example, you can still choose the color and everything below. Then select the picture or you make the picture. Select the picture. And now you choose the picture you want to have as a dial. Just tap on it. Now you can still move the whole thing in the background or in this circle. You can do this with your fingers by moving it where you want it. To the left or to the right. Otherwise here on this little corner. And a few seconds later the whole thing will be transferred to your smartphone. You just have to click on Apply down here. And that's it. Within seconds it will be transferred to your watch. You see that the percentage here, that goes very, very quickly. Once you have added it, it will go faster the next time you add it again. We did that right away. And it's already on here. You see how quickly the whole thing worked. Now I have set my picture here as a dial. And that's very, very easy. As I said, you still have the option of adjusting the whole thing with the colors. If you want to have that, if not, you can leave it that way. And you can do that with any picture. As I said, you can either fill out the whole thing here or you can record something. Do you have any questions about this instruction? Then use the comment function. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Then you always know what's up. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.